Just as the earth cycles through spring, summer, autumn, and winter, our own lives are also a journey through the seasons. From the budding and growth of spring to the blooming and passion of summer, from the harvest and settling of autumn to the rest and introspection of winter. Each stage of life has its own unique energetic needs. The Feng Shui of your home should also change with the seasons. The wisdom of the seasons of life reminds us that energy is not static. At different stages of our lives, we need to draw upon different 5 elements in Georgie's top up to our current life's purpose. Spring youth, the core is growth. This is when the power of the wood element is most needed, along with the water element that nourishes it. The home environment should be vibrant and bright, encouraging exploration and creativity. Summer adulthood, the core is blooming. This is when the power of the fire element is most needed to bring your career, reputation, and passion to their peak. The home environment can be more social, filled with warm energy. Autumn midlife, the core is harvest. This requires the order of the metal element and the stability of the earth element. The home environment should become more calm and textured, helping you to consolidate your achievements. Winter, elder years, the core is storage and introspection. This is when the wisdom and tranquility of the water element are most needed. The home environment should become more simple and comfortable, conducive to reflection and rest. So, how do you fine-tune your home's feng shui to your current season of life? If you are in the spring of your life, spend more time in the eastward sector and place some upward growing plants. If you're in the summer of your life, you can add some red decorations or art in the south fire sector to boost your social energy. If you have entered autumn, you can use more white metallic metal. An earth-toned earth home goodstow create a stable and serene atmosphere. And for the winter stage of life, the north water energy sector or a quiet corner of your home will be your best place for meditation and rejuvenation. Your home is the stage of your life and the witness to your seasonal cycles. Learning to adjust your external environment according to your inner seasonal changes is a profound act of self-care and the wisdom of walking with the Tao. Listen to the call of your inner season and create a perfect sanctuary for it. May you walk in harmony with the Tao, and may all your endeavors unfold with ease. In our next episode, we will discuss a frequently overlooked yet vital energy hub in the home, the entryway. Thank you for watching.